the startup screen of Solidworks. When we select new, there are three options: part, assembly, and drawing. Part is the design of any single part. Assembly is the set of, or you can say, arrangement of the 3D parts which we have designed, and the drawing is just a 2D drawing of assembly or part. So when we go for part, there comes several tabs, which first includes the title tab, which have the SolidWorks logo on it, and then there is a file menu, which includes the typical file options which almost every software have, like a new option, open recent, through which we can select the recently opened files. Then there is a close, which closes the window. Then make drawing from part and other options which we will talk about in other videos. Then there is an edit window, which includes undo, redo, repeat, last command, and other simple edit options. There is a view window, which allows us to select the view we want in our workspace. Like if we want to clear all this, then we have to redraw a screen capture, like video recording or image capture of the design we have designed, or and then there's some display to set the type of display, like a wireframe, which includes only the edges of the design or the part or assembly. Then hidden lines visible, in which the hidden lines are also included with the wireframe. And there are the hidden lines remove, which hides the backward lines, hidden lines. Then there is shaded with edges, which we use by default. Okay, and then there is this is written about the view. There is also other options like toolbars, through which we can select different types of tool which we want to show, which we want on our workspace. Then there is a workspace option, like if we want to buy scale workspace or default screen that we have selected default. Then other options like touch mode for the text. Then there is an insert, which have several options, some of which are also available in the feature tab, and some are also available in the sketch tab. Then there's a tools menu, which includes some of tools like SolidWorks applications to execute the other SolidWorks applications which is included in this software. Then there's a window, which allows us to select the type of window which we want. Like in viewport option, we can select the view, how many views we want at a particular time, or we can say simultaneously. Like in single view, only a single screen is shown. Then there is a two view option, which shows top or front view of a part, and we can also add it to other parts like right view or left view or different other views, and they both views are linked. Then there are tile horizontal, tile vertically. So these options can be used if we are having two different parts in our screen. Then if we select tile vertically, then it comes here and the other parts on the background, so we can just shift among these two windows. We set the default options in the view. Then there comes the main tab, which is this. We can go several tabs like feature, sketch, evaluate, dimension expert, SolidWorks add-ins, and SolidWorks multi-body. SolidWorks, first we talk about the sketch tab have several options which you can use to draw a sketch of the model we are designing. Then features, it includes some of the features which we do on a 3D model or the sketch we have made earlier. Then there is evaluate for the various type of evaluations like measure, design study, measure, section properties, sensors, performance, mass properties, etc. Then there is dimension expert to have some dimensions, and then there is Solidworks add-ins to add some Solidworks like add-ins like circuit works for CPU, etc. and simulation, etc. toolbox. Then there is this menu which includes that if when we do designing in the SolidWorks, then every function we use are shown below this thing. Like if we choose a sketch building, like we are having a sketch. If we insert a line, then see the sketch included in the list. You can also delete or edit these items. Then there is a properties tab, configuration, dimension expert tab, and the appearance which we also have in this side option. This side tabs have several options like design library, which includes some toolbox section and other options, and then open file explorer, so which we can open different or parts. Then there is just drawing, e-drawing, then the appearance, the properties, etc. So this is all about the basic interface of SolidWorks. We will talk about these options in another video. Thanks for watching.